Today's video is Beauty Empties time. Let's go through my March Beauty Empties. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video, it is Beauty Empties time, and I have my basket of March Beauty Empties to go through. There's quite a bit in here. Who's been a busy girl? I definitely have been. So yeah, let's get started. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Nearly knocked that over there. If you would also like to help my channel a little bit more, if you can share my YouTube channel on your social medias, tell your friends, your family, that would be absolutely fantastic. I'm going to do a little giveaway when I get to 3,000 subscribers. Let's get to it. The first items I want to show are these ones right here. I've literally just uploaded a video the other day of me doing a review on these products. So I'm not going to tell you how good or how bad these products were. You're going to have to click that link up there and go and find out for yourselves. But that video was filmed a few months ago. I'm trying to build up some videos, so I've got a bank of videos that I'll pop on every now and then. So yes, I have used all of these. Check out that video. So the next three products I'm going to show you are the ones that are always in my empties, because I go through these all the time. These are my regular products. So I have the Sanex antiperspirant, and yeah, it's really nice. It smells really clean, and it lasts all day, which is great. Next is Impulse body spray. Absolutely love it. It smells of musk, and again, I find that this smell lasts all day, which is really important to me. And then the third one is this one. So this is by Elizabeth Arden, and it is Sunflowers perfume. Yeah, I do actually use one of these every month. I like drowning myself, so yeah, and this perfume does stick around, which is very much appreciated. I have this. It's by the brand Umberto Giannini, and this is their Volume Mousse Repair, Plump and Enhance Shine for full volume hair. So when I'm having a natural hair day and I'm not blow drying my hair and my hair goes wavy when it dries naturally, I like to pop the mousse in my hair and let it dry with that in. Yeah, it's quite nice. I'm not too keen on the smell, which is unfortunate, but I do actually like the product itself. I have some shower gels and body washes. So this is by Beauty Papier, and let's have a look. It's Antioxidant Shower Gel, pumpkin, argan, apricot, orange and aloe vera. Gorgeous. Loved using that. Absolutely gorgeous. And this one is by L'Occitane, and this is the Cherry Blossom Bath and Shower Gel. Again, absolutely gorgeous. If this wasn't as expensive as it is, I would go out and buy the full size one of that, because I'm totally in love. My skin has been kind of a little bit delicate, a bit sensitive I should say, so I've been using this face wash by Cetaphil, and it's the Gentle Skin Cleanser. It doesn't smell of anything, and it's for dry sensitive skin, and it says face and body on there. Yeah, it's a bit boring if I'm honest, but when my skin needs something that's going to be extra sensitive, this is the one to turn to. But yeah, I must admit, I'm into my fragrances. I'm really into my smells and stuff, but when I need it, it's always there for me. Going back to fragrances for a little bit, I have this that I've managed to finish off. It is by Next, and this is, what is that, Candied Flowers. Gorgeous. Really enjoyed using that. Lovely and sweet. I love a sweet perfume. And yeah, the next thing, I have not finished this product, but I'm decluttering it. I like the smell. It's all right. It's not bad. But this is by the brand Eureka. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And the perfume is called Orgasmic. So it's a perfume stick that you can rub on your pulse points. I mean, when I first got it, I actually tested it out in the video in the beauty box that it came in and tried it out. And yeah, the smell is very pleasant, but it stays sticky, like balmy. Can you hear that? That is a no-no from me. If I put it on my pulse points here, I found that my hair was sticking to it. And then yeah, if I put it here when I'm doing things are sticking to me, like, and then I've got like black fluff stuck everywhere. So yeah, no, unfortunately that just didn't work out for me. Next I have this. This is by the brand Garnier, and it is the Vivid Garnier Colour Sensation in the shade Colour Diamond Blonde. This is a permanent hair dye. Again, I am not going to tell you if this was good or if it was bad. I've done a review video on it. I've uploaded it not long ago. I will link that there. Go and check it out and see for yourself. So managed to use this as well. This is a face cleansing balm by Emma Hardy. Gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. I love this. I have a few of these actually. Even though it is scented, it smells of like lemons. It is kind of gentle on the skin, which is fabulous. But yeah, only a little pot, but lasted quite a long time for the size, which is great. I have this. It is a pillow mist by the brand Ovarium. I hope I'm saying that right. For a restful night sleep pillow mist. So yeah, it smelled nice. I've had better smelling ones though, if I am honest, but it was all right. It wasn't bad. I have two lip products here. So I have this one by Arrow, and it's a Nourishing Lip Oil. This felt gorgeous on the lips. It wasn't sticky. It was a true light oil. Gorgeous. This one is by Avant, and it's the Hydra Replenish Lip Balm. This was also really, really nice, but when I put it on my lips, after a few minutes it then sank in, which is a good sign. Obviously my lips were needing hydrating and they were like sucking this up, but when I put something on my lips like this, I like just to have a little sheen. But I do rate both of these, if I'm honest. They are nice. But moving on to makeup, I have two mascaras here. So this one is by Benefit, and it is their Real Magnet Mascara. Love this mascara. It's fantastic. I love the plastic spiky brush. It really grabs my lashes and just does a hell of a lot with them. This one is by Bella Paris, and it's the Volumizing Mascara. So that is the one there. What I generally like to do, I like to use two mascaras whenever I do my makeup. I like to use like the plastic spiky one, wand one, to actually grab my lashes and to give me the length. And then I like to use a volumizing one afterwards to obviously fill it out and give that volume, and these are really nice together. My other makeup bits that I've managed to use up, these were actually in my rolling makeup project 10 pan. I have too many videos to link in this one, so this will be linked down below with the rest of them. But yeah, starting off with this, it's by Rodial, and it is the Soft Focus Glow Drops Illuminating Ultimate Glow Primer. Really rate that. It's gorgeous on the skin, and it wasn't too glowy. It was just perfect for my skin in any way. Next we have the Body Collection concealer. It was okay. It wasn't, it's not full coverage by any means, but it wasn't too bad. For the price, it was amazing. Next I've got the Lord and Berry eyeshadow, a single eyeshadow. Really nice. The colour was very similar to my skin tone. It was just a bit more cool tone. So on an extra natural day, this was absolutely perfect. I've got quite a few makeup bits in this one. This is by Essence, and it is their compact powder. Really enjoyed using it. I would definitely repurchase that again. And then the last makeup bit I have is this. It's by Lottie London, and it is the blusher in the shade Haze. Very nice, very pigmented actually, and I'm glad I like it because I've got another 3 or 4 of these in my drawer. The beauty boxes that I get, we're kind of just constantly giving them out all the time. But yeah, I did enjoy using it. We are on to skincare, and the first thing I have is this. So this is by the brand Disciple, and it is What Spot Dots with salicylic acid. There was 12 of them in here. I actually really enjoyed using them. These were the first ever dot spots that I've ever used before, and I'm actually on the lookout for some new ones to try out. So if you know any brands that you can recommend that are affordable, please comment down below. I'm very interested. We have this by Beauty Pro, just under eye masks. I just like to whack them on. I think you're supposed to leave them up, yeah, for 20 minutes. I just whack them on and forget about them and do whatever I've got to do. These I love because you stick them on, they don't move around, they don't try and peel off, you stick them and they stay. So yeah, really like them. Next we have this. So this is Bleach London Recarnation hair mask. Yeah, managed to get through all of that. Guess what guys, I have a video on it. I will link it just there. Give it a click and go and see if I like it or if I hate it. So I have all of this left in here. This is all skincare, and I managed to empty them in my rolling skincare project 10 pan, which is fab. I had such a good month in March for my rolling project pans. Absolutely fantastic. So let's quickly go through what's in here. First 2 products I'm going to show you, I actually have not emptied them. I've decided to declutter them. So this one is by The Body Shop, and it is the Drops of Light Pure Resurfacing Liquid Peel. There's about that much left in there. It smells really bad and it doesn't feel right when I popped it on my skin. It's gone off, so yes, that's why we're getting rid of this one. This one is by Freshly Cosmetics, and it is a blue Radiance Enzymatic Serum. That's such, I get my tongue tied trying to say that. There's over half left in there, it's about to here. It just feels awful on my skin. I pop it on, and then when you go to massage it in, it starts pilling. And when you try and layer it with other skincare or whatever, again, it's the whole pilling thing. It smells gorgeous, but yeah, I can't work with that pilling thing. This does not belong in here, but I've just found this. This is by the brand Essence, and this is Instant Matte Makeup Setting Mist. Yeah, really like it. It's really dirt cheap for the price. It gets a thumbs up from me. So I have like 2 tonery essence kind of things here. So we have this one with gorgeous packaging. It's glass and it looks very bougie. This is by O'Neill's Yard Remedies, and it's Frankincense Intense Hydrating Essence. This like smelled a bit lemony. It's gorgeous on the skin, really nice. My skin felt really soft using this. This one is by the brand Sukin, and it's the original hydrating mist toner, and it's chamomile and rose. If you don't like rose, you're not gonna like this, but yeah, that was also really refreshing on the face, which was also massive thumbs up from me. I've just found another lip balm as well. This is by the brand Terry, and it is Balm de Rose. Again, if you don't like the rose scent, you're going to struggle with this one. This is gorgeous on the lips, love it, and I'm again really glad because I've got another 1 or 2 of these in my drawer to get used up. But yeah, really enjoyed it. I've got some moisturizers here. So we've got this one by Able Skincare, and this is the Anti-Aging Retexturizing and Resurfacing Duo Moisturizer. Yeah, really enjoyed it. Would definitely use again, definitely. This one is by Your Good Skin by Boots, and this is the Pro Vitamin Overnight Cream. It was okay. It wasn't bad, it wasn't fabulous, it was average. But yeah, it was all right. And then last but not least, we have this by Glossybox, and I love the colour, I must say. This is a 3-in-1 moisturiser, plumps, primes and protects. Really enjoyed using that. I really would like to try some other Glossybox skincare that they have, because that's the only one that I've tried. Got a couple of serums here. So we have this one by Ionic. I honestly don't know how to say that. I honestly don't know. But let's have a look. It's a beta gluten power moisturizer serum. So this comes out, it's a bit like stringy and gloopy and gorgeous. This really hydrated my skin, and my skin loved it. Would definitely love to get another one of those. This one is by The Organic Pharmacy, and it's a hyaluronic acid serum. Love hyaluronic acid. This was fantastic. Yeah, love both of these equally. Fabulous. We'll have this as well. This is by the brand Solve, and it is Plump and Glow serum. So these come in them little pod things, and then you twist off that bit, squeeze it, and then pop it all over your face. Yeah, it was nice. It felt a little bit silicone-y, but it was okay. It wasn't bad, but I won't go out and buy them. Yeah, but not least, I forgot to put this in the makeup section, is this. So this is by Bare Minerals, and this is their Bare Pro Performance Wear Liquid Foundation. I have done a video on this. I will link that there. Go and see what my thoughts are on it. I did that video quite a while ago. This one, it still has a little bit of foundation left in here. I went to put it on my face and it's unfortunately gone off. But yeah, go check that video out. Right guys, so this is my beauty empties for the month of March, and I think I've done pretty well. I'm going to give myself a pat on the back. What do you think of the products used? Is there some products there that are your favourites? Is there some products there that you hate? Comment it all down below. My experiences can be different from somebody else's, and if we all share our own experiences, we can make our minds up informatively. But yeah, I am really proud of myself for getting through all of that. Yeah, well done me. That concludes this video, so I will see you in the next Beauty Empties video next month. So remember to click that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.